Hi, it's Jen and Tammy back with another Notions video. Once again, Tammy caught me in the sewing room. Okay, first off, confession. We don't rehearse these videos, by the way, so this is always raw. I lose my glasses how many times a day?
Constantly.
So I'm in there and I'm trying to thread a needle and we're going to do some hand embroidery. And the little needle threader, that's hard to say.
Needle threader.
The pink one that I use for my hand embroidery, or not, excuse me, like hand applique.
Mm-hmm. With the fine needle.
It's fine, but these beefier needles, like when I wanted to use pearl cotton, I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, and of course I can't find my glasses, so I'm, doing this whole thing.
That's nice.
And then I'm trying to thread it, and she's like, "What are you doing? Haven't you seen this cool new Clover?"
I have a clever little tool here that'll make your life so much easier.
Take it away, Tammy.
Okay.
Take this away from me.
Please take this away. Gotcha. Okay. This is a Clover Embroidery Threader. What makes this unique is it is a wire, and I think they can see this if I open this up a little bit. It's a flat wire. See this? So when you put this through your needle, see how quick that was to get that in there? And now you have this large gap to put your thread into, just like this, and you're done.
Now I've had these.
How cool is that?
I've had these much less quality, and they break.
They do break. And those, what you're talking about are the ones, the little metal ones with the wire.
Yes,
and the wire is very fine.
Yes.
Okay, the wire is made to go through a little tiny eye of a needle and use a very fine thread. It's not made for 3 strands of embroidery floss.
So that's why they broke?
You're abusing it if you are breaking it.
Sounds like this is self-induced. So this is made for thicker thread.
Made for heavier thread. So an embroidery needle, your needle is long and narrow.
Yep.
This slides right in. I can put 3 strands of embroidery floss. It's all, I hate this when they all come apart and they're all happy.
Yes.
You just stick this in here.
You're
like
right.
This, and you're through. Just that fast. This little gadget will make your life so much easier.
I want this in my Christmas stocking.
Okay, I can do that.
Just get this. If you do any kind of work where you're threading a needle with a heavier thread,
yes.
And we love that with handwork.
Cool cover that goes on it.
Even embroidery floss.
Even floss, yes.
Because you're trying to get the
3 strands of floss and trying to get them all through there.
Thank you, Tammy.
You're welcome.
Just get one.
Get one.